This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to change your site URL through your database and update your site URL. Maybe you are switching to a subdomain or taking off the www of your site, or maybe just switching to a new domain period. So I'm going to show you how you can access in your database to change your site URL and home URL. So what you're going to want to do is going to want to go into your hosting panel, and I'm using Bluehost, so it might be a little different how you get to this. But what you're looking for is phpMyAdmin, and usually it should be down in your database tools. Like I said, it might be a little different how you get to this, but this is what it's called, phpMyAdmin. So I'm going to go and click into this. All right, so once you're in your phpMyAdmin, you're going to locate your database where your WordPress installation is installed into. And I'm going to have mine right here, Wanderer Home. And what you're looking for is WP_options. And you're going to click into this table, and you can see the first two are called site URL and home. And this is where you're going to change your site URL and your home URL right here. All you simply have to do is hit the edit button, change it accordingly, and then save it, and you should be good to go. I do recommend after you do this to use a plugin that can replace all the URLs in your database to the new URL that you're going to be using, so you don't have any issues. All right, so that is how you change your site URL in your database and update it. I hope that helps, and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.